Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Hedera. Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary says Solana, Sol, Polygon, Matic, and Hedera, HBAR, have large potential. Shark Tank star and billionaire investor Kevin O'Leary sees several leading altcoins that he believes have the potential to add problem-solving value as the blockchain world expands and evolves. In an interview with Anthony Pompliano on the Best Business Show, O'Leary says cryptocurrencies should be viewed as functional software, rather than simply alternate forms of money. When it comes to determining which blockchain projects to pursue, the investor says he relies on the same process of vetting teams and vision, as with traditional software companies. He cites his hands-on approach with Layer 2 scaling solution Polygon, Matic, as a real-world example of the strategy. I've seen this movie before. I was an investor in software engineers 22 years ago at the learning company when we made educational software. The way I used to do it then is the way I'm doing it now. If I want to invest in Polygon, I want to meet the engineering team, which I did in Dubai. I met the team, heard the vision of what they're doing, looked at the economic reality at the outcome, the potential of it. First is team. If I check the box on team smart guys, good engineers, good strategy, good group, I'm interested. O'Leary says that beyond the initial concept, he wants to see the potential for a positive economic impact as well. Here's the second test. What economic value are they creating? In the case of Polygon, aggregating transactions to reduce gas fees on Ethereum is a smart idea. You have an economic reason to pursue that. You save money. Transaction fees are less. I think the potential of that is large. The Shark Tank personality next mentions enterprise-grade public network Hedera, HBAR, which is tailored for security and regulatory compliance. Great team, good engineers. What's the economic premise that would keep that growing? Boeing wants a quasi-centralized, decentralized platform. They want the best of both worlds. HBAR can deliver that, check the box there. Lastly, the billionaire mentions smart contract platform Solana, Sol, as a project seeking unique solutions. They're trying to solve problems a different way to speed everything up. Check the box. Who's working on that? FTX exchange head Sam Bankman-Fried and his team. Why wouldn't you bet that horse? O'Leary concludes his remarks by reiterating the importance of conceptually looking at cryptocurrencies differently. They're software platforms. I say to institutions, you criticize me for investing in Bitcoin. You own a big position in Microsoft and a 5% weighting in Yahoo. What is that? That's software. Why don't you do the same thing in Bitcoin? Why aren't you in Ethereum? Why aren't you in HBAR and Polygon? Why aren't you in Serum? Why aren't you in Helium? With that attitude, it's hard to say I'll only invest in publicly traded software companies. One day crypto and all these software platforms are going to be the 12th sector of the S&P. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are perhaps the most well-known cryptocurrencies. Serum, SRM, is a trustless decentralized finance protocol, while Helium, HNT, is an Internet of Things open-source public blockchain. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Hedera, HBAR, a good investment? How much will Hedera cost in 2025, or how much will Hedera cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Our team is determined to master the strategy as quickly as possible. The value of Hedera hashgraph is expected to continue rising as scarcity tends to drive the price up. Please note that there is some risk to any investment. Just invest in what you can, before jumping to conclusions, and do as much research as possible. Hedera is currently worth 22 cents United States dollars with a market cap of $4,248,008,320, making it a 32 most valuable coin. How high can Hedera hashgraph go? The average Hedera hashgraph rate could reach 51 cents by the end of this year. If we take a 5-year plan, we calculate that the coin will easily reach $2.13. We have given an analytical forecast up to 2030 inclusive. Perhaps some of this will be useful to you. Hedera course forecasts for 2022 and 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks. Hedera's price will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. HBAR rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. HBAR is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of HBAR will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of HBAR ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, HBAR, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecasts for 2025. HBARs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $1.07. HBAR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 92 cents, a minimum price of 90 cents, and a maximum price of $1.07. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2026. According to Hedera hashgraph's price target and technical analysis, in 2026, HBAR price is expected to cross the $2.13 average price level. Hedera hashgraph's expected price low is $2.06 by the end of this year. Moreover, HBAR may reach a maximum price level of $2.58. Hedera hashgraph price prediction 2027. Based on our in-depth technical analysis of past HBAR price data, the Hedera hashgraph price is forecast to be around $2.95 in 2027. Hedera hashgraph rate can peak at $3.58, with an average trading value of $3.04. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2028. The Hedera hashgraph rate in 2028 is forecast to hit a low of $4.39. Hedera hashgraph could reach a maximum value of $5.11, with an average trading rate of $4.55 during 2028. Price forecasts for Hedera hashgraph for 2029. According to the forecast and technical analysis, in 2029, the Hedera hashgraph price is expected to hit a minimum price of $6.36. BTC exchange rate can reach a maximum exchange rate of $7.72, at an average cost of $6.54. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2030. The Hedera hashgraph is forecast to hit a low of $9.15 in 2030. Hedera hashgraph rate could peak at $11.03, with an average trading rate of $9.41 during 2030.